In the hidden world of microbes, Escherichia coli, E. coli, stands out. This rod-shaped bacterium lives in the intestines of healthy humans and animals, quietly supporting our digestion and producing essential vitamins. Most E. coli strains are harmless, acting as helpful neighbors in our gut microbiome. Scientists have made E. coli a cornerstone of research, using it to unlock secrets of DNA and develop new medicines. But not all E. coli are friendly. Some strains acquire genes that turn them into dangerous pathogens. These are the strains behind food poisoning outbreaks and serious illness. Just a few genetic changes can transform a harmless resident into a public health threat. Understanding this duality is crucial. E. coli can be both a vital ally and a formidable foe. The difference between a helpful and a harmful strain is often just a handful of genes. For doctors and public health officials, distinguishing between the two is essential. In places like Jordan and around the world, this knowledge helps protect communities. E. coli's story is a reminder that even the most familiar microbes can surprise us. Its impact, good or bad, depends entirely on the strain. Our challenge is to harness its benefits while guarding against its dangers. The line between friend and foe is thinner than we think. When pathogenic E. coli invades, it can cause anything from mild stomach upset to life-threatening disease. The most common illness is gastroenteritis, severe cramps, diarrhea, and vomiting. Some strains like O157H7 produce Shiga toxin, leading to bloody diarrhea and, in rare cases, kidney failure. Young children and the elderly are especially vulnerable to these complications. Hemolytic uremic syndrome, a severe outcome, can cause kidney damage or death. E. coli isn't limited to the gut, it's also a leading cause of urinary tract infections. These infections can escalate if bacteria reach the kidneys. Rarely, E. coli can cause pneumonia or meningitis. Symptoms usually appear within a few days of exposure. Most healthy adults recover within a week, but severe cases require urgent medical care. Recognizing symptoms like high fever or bloody diarrhea is critical. Early action can prevent complications. Public awareness is our first defense. Pathogenic E. coli spreads mainly through contaminated food and water. Undercooked beef, unpasteurized milk, and raw produce are common culprits. Water used for drinking, swimming, or irrigation can also carry the bacteria, especially where sanitation is lacking. Even a single contaminated water source can spark an outbreak. Person-to-person spread happens easily in places with poor hygiene, like childcare centers or nursing homes. Hand washing is a simple but powerful way to stop transmission. Outbreaks strain healthcare systems and cost the food industry millions in recalls and lost trust. Tracing the source requires rapid investigation and testing. The economic and health impacts are significant. Robust surveillance and quick response are essential. Preventing E. coli's spread protects both public health and the economy. Vigilance is key. In Jordan, water scarcity makes E. coli prevention a top priority. Contamination risks are tied to water management and agriculture. Outbreaks can occur through local food or water, especially with the use of treated wastewater for irrigation. The Ministry of Health monitors water and food quality, testing supplies and inspecting establishments. Public education empowers citizens to protect themselves. Washing produce with safe water is vital, especially for dishes with raw vegetables. Good hygiene, especially hand washing, remains the most effective defense. In the kitchen, avoid cross-contamination. Use separate boards for meat and vegetables, and cook meat thoroughly. A food thermometer ensures safety. Protecting public health requires government oversight, industry responsibility, and informed citizens. Strengthening water treatment and safe farming practices are essential. By understanding E. coli risks and prevention, Jordanians can reduce infections. Simple steps make a big difference in keeping this microbe in check.